Hello children, welcome to day 3 project work on preparation of flashcards. Children, in day 2 and day 1, we have seen the overview of the project work. In day 2 we have seen how to prepare the flashcards and what to write on the flashcards. Now we will see in the day 3 how to write flashcards, how to write on the flashcards. So children, the steps to be followed for the day 3 are: First of all, you have to select the notes which you have to prepare the flashcards, for which you have to prepare the flashcards. So the notes should be selected by you. The key important information or the key information should be selected by you on the concept. So whichever concept you have selected, for that the key information should be taken out or noted down. So after you have noted down, reread the concept and write down on the flashcards. So you have to write down the important information in the flashcards. For example, when you take the parts of speech, for example, I have prepared the flashcards on the parts of speech. See here children, this is the flashcard on parts of speech. This is on the one side of the flashcard. So on the other side, I have written the mnemonic how to remember the flashcard. The mnemonic is VIP NAACP. VIP NAACP. So this is the mnemonic. So VIP means, V means verb, I means interjection, P means pronoun, and next N means noun, A means adjective, A means adverb, C means conjunction, and P means preposition. This is how I prepared the flashcard on the parts of speech. Now you can easily remember the parts of speech from your English subject. Children, this is how you have to prepare the flashcard of your interested concept, or whether it may be a English subject or math subject or science subject or social. For example, when you take the maths, you can write some of the formulas or definitions. In science also you can write some of the definitions, and in English you can write vocabulary also. Like this you can prepare the flashcards. And in my next flashcards, see here, I have written all the 8 parts of speech in different flashcards. For example, you take the verb. See here, on the top I have written the word verb, and the next side I have written the definition of the verb and the examples. So definition is shows an action and state of being. Examples are run, listen or live. Like this you have to prepare the flashcards. See here, I have prepared for interjection, pronoun, interjection, definition, and here next one is pronoun, definition, noun, definition with examples, adjective, definition with example, and like this I have prepared adverb with definition and example, conjunction with definition and example, preposition with definition and example. Like this I have prepared all the parts of speech. So children, I think everybody understood how to prepare the flashcard. So children, you can prepare of your own, not only on these parts of speech, you can prepare on your own concepts of flashcards, whether it may be any subject, maths, physics, chemistry, biology or anything. For biology you can write definitions, and sometimes you can draw a picture and label it so that you can remember all the things properly. So if you want to carry this, you can put it in your pocket and you can revise wherever you want. So children, it is very important for revision at the time of examination also. So children, I think you have all understood how to do this project work. And children, hope everybody will do this project work and show your flashcards on the group. Okay children, I think everybody will do this project. Okay, bye.